ONGC is the second largest oil E&P company of the world, and it has discovered 6 out of 7 basins in the country. And in the domestic front also, it is the largest contributor of so far oil and gas is concerned. It is the highest dividend paying company of the country, and I mean, our country is proud of this kind of organization. We are basically, as I told you, we're basically an exploration company. We started our journey from Gujarat, and from there we discovered oil. But the major thrust came when the Bombay High was discovered in 1974. And there was a time when ONGC was meeting almost the 80% requirement of the country. But the population has increased, the requirement has increased, industrialization has taken place. That's why we are not able to meet the challenges demand now, which should be there. But nevertheless, we are working for it, and the challenges are ahead, and we are working to discover newer and newer fields. Basins, as I told you, there are 6 major basins which are producing in the country. And apart from that, the work is going on in a different kind. We have categorized basins in the different category 1 basin where it is already being produced. We call category 2 basins where there is a very high probability that the oil and gas is there. Then category 3 basins, yes, there is possibility, but still more work has to be done. And then called category 4 basin. Category 4 basins means not much of possibility is there, but then still exploration, is an ongoing process. So that way we have divided the basins to 4 category, and our exploration people are working day in and day out to enhance the might of the nation. Our turnover picture figure exactly I may not be able to tell you, but our net profit, post-tax profit, is more than 16,000–17,000 crore. That itself is one of the very highest figure. This figure, not many companies are having turnover of this tune. Challenges are to discover new fields, to discover the giant fields, and the biggest challenge is to discover another field like Bombay High. Well, unless we discover some field like Bombay High, it will not be easy for us to sustain, because the fields are old. Most of the fields were discovered around 20 years back, 25 years back, so the production is declining. Though we are making very sustained effort to sustain the production from those fields, but still new fields have to come, and our people, our scientists are working day in and day out. Working in offshore, eastern offshore, and in eastern offshore we are already working in Krishna Godavari basin. So we have Krishna Godavari basin, then we have Mahanadi basin, then we have Andaman basin. So work is going on, because it cannot be set for surety. For exploration, there is no technology in the foolproof technology where you can put the gazette and you can say that yes, there is an oil. So it is technology coupled with intuition. So we are working in that direction, and we hope that God willing, some major discoveries will definitely come. Targets means we sign target with ministry, and we have been achieving that target. But you're talking about the major discovery which can reduce the gap between our purchase from outside and our production here. So that is an ongoing process. We have to be a little bit lucky also, and we are not lagging anywhere in our efforts.